So within Excel, you can convert a Roman numeral into a number, what's known as an Arabic numeral, which is what we commonly look at as numbers. So here I've got a bunch of Arabic numerals. I've got C, which is 100 for century, obviously. If we put in the formula equals Arabic and then the cell, that will convert that in. So you can see I've got IV, which is 4, VII, which is 7. All of these are converting. A couple things to remember with this. If you don't have anything in there and you're using the Arabic function, it will simply return 0. The maximum length of the Roman numeral that can be converted is 255 characters. So that largest number would be 255,000. If you put these Roman numerals in as lowercase values, they will still return the same thing. Though we traditionally see this as uppercase, lowercase does work it as all. Any leading or trailing spaces will be ignored. So if you've got a space at the end, I just put a space at the end of that. It does not change the value. So that's with a leading or a trailing space. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.